Oh, you can't build muscle without a gym? Poor baby. Should we light a candle for your lost leg press machine? Listen, push-ups, dips, squats, those are compound movements, not warm-ups for real workouts. You know what builds muscle? Progressive overload. Ever heard of it? Google exists. Slow down your representatives, throw in pauses, and stop flailing through your sets like it's cardio. Muscles respond to tension and challenge, not to whatever sad routine you copied from a TikTok influencer. Train your full body 3 times a week, rest 48 hours between, and stop skipping legs like it's a religion. Your body doesn't care if you're lifting iron or just your own lazy weight, it just wants pain and protein. No gym? No problem. No effort? No results.